here on part 2 of restoring this house. I needed to find the driveway. You'll see about it coming up. I'm Roger and not in the shop, out at the restoration house that we're working on, and nice big 2-car garage here, but didn't appear that there was a driveway. Well, as you'll see here coming up, after a period of about 4.5 hours, I was able to dig that driveway out. It was covered up anywhere from 1 inch to 8 inches of dirt and grass and sod and roots and beer cans and just all kinds of stuff. But we got her all dug out. I got a huge pile of dirt to do something with come spring, but we have a driveway. It's kind of an odd arrangement. The way the garage is 90 degrees from the house, you have to pull in around to go into it, but there is concrete here, and yeah, I've still got a sump pump hose laying across. We're going to take care of that with a drain towel going out around behind in another week or two. But take you out, you can take a little bit of a gander on how we're digging out this driveway. Well, this has been interesting. About 3 hours into trying to find the driveway, and I'm finding a whole lot of driveways. Still got a little bit to go over here. This has been quite the mess. And I have got quite the pile of dirt back here. And there is a low spot in the yard right there, so when things kind of dry out, it'll probably end up being in the spring, I'll get this all leveled out back here. And now I got to get over here and get the rest of this garage cleaned out. There's a lot of dirt on the floor in there. I got most of it scooped out. It's got some against the wall to shovel up. Well, that's it for part 2 of this little on the house renovation project. And we have a driveway, and we have a garage floor that's all been cleaned out. Got all that scooped out and swept up. Had about 6 loader buckets full of junk off the floor, but got a nice concrete floor down there now. Got a nice concrete driveway out here. Yeah, there's some cracks in it, but it's old. So anyway, that's going to be the end of part 2 of this renovation here. If you enjoyed this, appreciate getting a thumbs up. Always helps the channel. And We're always looking for subscribers, and next to that subscribe button is a little bell. You click that bell, you'll be notified when we post another video. Otherwise, I'm Roger, not in the shop, but at the house to be renovated. See you in the next one.